by the fragrance of incense. O you absolver, purifier, forgiver, wipe, blot out and remember not our wickedness. Blot out, O Lord God, by the mercy of your loving kindness, my many great and countless sins, and the sins of all your faithful people. O you good one, spare and have mercy upon us. Remember us, O Lord God, in your mercy, and remember, my Lord, also our souls, and the souls of our fathers, our brethren, our elders, our teachers, our departed ones, and all the faithful departed, the children of your holy and glorious church. O Lord, grant us to their souls, spirits, and bodies, and sprinkle the dew of mercy and compassion on their bones, and be you pardon unto us and unto them. O Christ our King, O Lord our God, the Master of glory, answer us, my Lord, and come to our aid. Concern to our help, save us, and accept our prayers and petitions. Remove in your mercy all hard punishments and prevent forbid and remove all from us the lacerating rods of wrath. O Lord God, make us worthy of good end, meet for the men of peace. O you, the Lord, and peace of tranquility, grant us that Christian end which is dear and proper to you and pleasing to the honor of your Lordship. And to you we raise glory and thanksgiving, now always and forever. Hosho Babukula Subhana.